Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jagdish. So today I am going to teach you how to install Windows. So in this method there are different types of this there for Windows installation by using pen drive, by using a CD, by using internet. So this is the step to install the Windows. So in these steps, one of the most useful, that is Windows installation by using by pen drive. So I have that pen drive, that is 16 GB. So before installation Windows, so you should have that minimum 8 GB or 16 GB pen drive. So now I have that 16 GB pen drive. In this pen drive I already bootable in Windows 10 also. So in the installation process there are two types of installation is there. One is legacy and another one is UEFI. So when you are installing UEFI method, so our pen drive should be making in UEFI method, and also your laptop also having that UEFI option. So if you are installing legacy method, so our pen drive should be make in legacy method, and your laptop or desktop also have that legacy method. So today I am teach you that UEFI method, how to install Windows. So I already bootable that in that pen drive to UEFI also, and in my laptop also UEFI option. I will teach you how to check that UEFI or legacy option in BIOS mode. I will start my laptop. My laptop is Lenovo. When you are going BIOS mode, you will get that I have that Lenovo laptop. I just now go to BIOS mode. In BIOS mode, you will get that UEFI or legacy here. See, in my laptop both is having UEFI and legacy also having. So I am selecting to UEFI only because my pen drive is already make it in UEFI also. I am using installing UEFI method also. That's why I select UEFI method. After then save exit. So before installing Windows, you need to take your data backup, because some of the users having important data is there. That's why before formatting your drive, you should take data backup. So in my laptop I don't need any important data, that's why I'm not taking data. So there's no, in first method I need to connect, before starting that method I need to connect that pen drive in my USB port. It's connected, and switch on powering on the laptop and go to boot menu. After going boot menu, in boot menu it will show your pen drive. See here, this is the USB general disk. This is my USB pen drive detected. Just now I select it and enter. After then it will taking step by step Windows installation. So some of the steps you need to uh, change here. Selection option is there. You need to do this. See, this is the first step for Windows installation. So here it was asking language. You should choose your language. First one is it was by default selected in language US only. After then time and currency you should select in India. See, India. And after also keyboard layout also you should select in India only. After then you can click on next, and after then install now. So here it was asking for Windows activation key. If you have an Windows key, then you can enter your Windows key. Either after installing Windows, it will activate automatically. So there are two types is there for Windows activating. So just now I am selecting that I don't have the product key. I am selecting this option. After then here some of the installation procedure is there. This is Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home N, Home Single Language, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Education N, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Pro N. So most probably so many maximum people are using that Windows 10 Pro because the all applications are supporting for this one. That's why I'm selecting the Windows 10 Pro and go to select option next. After then it was asking for license. I am clicking here accept license key and go to next. Here you got that two option, upgrade, install Windows and keep the files setting in applications, and second one is custom installation Windows only. In first step it was taking for by internet, that's why I'm by using my pen drive also, that's why I'm using custom only. You can select one, second one custom installation. Here your partition is there, so you should know that which one is my data, which one is your Windows 7 drive. So in my drive I don't need any data backup, that's why I'm deleting all partition. If you need data backup, you don't format your data partition. So I'm deleting all partitions here. So in my laptop having 320 GB hard disk. So just now I formatted all my drive. So it was showing me 238 GB, means 250 GB hard drive is there. I'm creating my new partition. Clicked on next. Here for Windows maximum 100 GB is enough for space. 02400. So 100 GB space is 102400. Click on apply. Okay. So see in my 100 GB C drive is partition already created, and remaining left is 138 GB. I am creating entire whole 138 GB to my data. Just click on next, and whatever size is there, just leave it and apply it. So here there are two partition is already did. One is 99 GB for Windows and 138 GB my data. You can select 99 GB for Windows C drive. Just click on next. So in this procedure it was taking long time, maximum to 20 to 30 minutes. So depends upon your system performance, your RAM and processor also. So the process is going on. 2% is completing. Now the already 44% already completed. The process is going on. The 86% is already completed. In this process, so it was restarting automatically, so you don't need to see it was asking for restarting, either it was asking restart 16 seconds. Just now selecting restart. So after restarting you don't need to select any boot menu, so it was taking automatically by default next procedure. Only the first time you can choosing in boot menu, that's why that time only you can select boot menu only. After then in complete it was taking the process one by one, it is automatically. In this process it was restarting on so many several times, that's why. Here you can select your region, that is India already by default selected. Click on next, and keyboard layout you can select English India. Click on yes. You can skip this first step. Here it was asking internet, so I connect later on, that's why I am selecting I don't have internet options here. You can select in continue with limited setup. Here it was again asking for internet, so I am selecting here I don't have internet. Connected with the limited setup, you can select this one, and you can put your PC name. I am putting user only. You can put your favorite name also. After then you can select on next. So here you can put your password, login password. If you need password you can put here, so I am not putting any password, that's why I am selecting next only here. Accept. So my installation procedure 99% will be completing. So this is the final stage. So after completing, finally you got there this one, desktop menu. So finally I installed Windows 10 successfully. So after installing Windows, only the in desktop, only the recycle and Microsoft Edge icon will be showing here. If you need more icons, my document and my computer also, you can go here, right click and desktop and go to personalize, go to themes, and you go to desktop icons. After then you can tick all computer user files, network, control panel, go to apply and OK. So after then you got that all icons here. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.